Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands